Greetings. How y'all doing? On Irie? Let me say a big Kirk, eh? Oh, we have blazed it long time for you. I want to say something before we start. The song I'm going to sing is not my tune, this tune, but I have to do it because of the thing we are going right now. We as people. This not going to make a difference, and I say this. We need to come together, stop fighting each other. Praise vanity over love and life. Saying, and forget about the Almighty. We're going the wrong way, man. Run it! Cause every time, keep on moving, yeah. Teach them. Cause he who seeks upon in vanity and have no love for humanity. Oh yeah! Cause every time we rise on, yeah. Surely. Cause he who seeks upon in vanity and have no love for humanity shall fade away. Cause he who only check for well and not for his physical health shall fade away. Fade away. Cause every time fade away. Show it. Yeah man, hold it. Hold this tune, hold it out your mouth so fast. This tune is called Lullaby. My voice is a tune for Tony Rebel. Saying if you love the Almighty, let me see one hand in the ear for the Almighty. The Creator. Oh, nobody don't love the Creator? You're the King, man. Saying, if I praise him. Set it up. Stick it ting na ding ding na. Oh, yeah. The Most High bless us, so yeah. Oh. The Most High love. Oh, no mix. Him of the man, yes, with a plan then of the old wine Berliners and I know a judge is the foundation. Tell them, say now, him of the man, yes, with a plan then of the old wine Berliners and I know the Father is the ruler. Check this out, cause this is how the trumpet sound. And peace and love we are spread all around. Until the heathens and can't get we down. You see we got a lot of load we are to win and we're no brown. Trumpet sound, and peace and love we are spread all around. Until the heathens and can't get we down. You see we got a lot of love. Check it out. So never you lose your heart, your mind, and never you lose your soul. You see the Most High is always in control. Well, shout it out loud and shout it out full. When we live in Jamaica, I'll be with the North Pole, yeah. You see them one time, the whole of them a ponder. See the Most High, they want them a try to come when them come in the spiritual warfare and them soldier. Try to lose it. All this but goodness with us, I want them fast, you know. Teach them, pick up yourself, pick up all the massive. Remember them tune them? I don't want to lose, girl. Yeah. Hey. Because you're sending and I can see the Sata. Yeah. I don't want to lose, girl. Well, hey. Because you're sending and I can see the feelings gone. What happened to the dreams that we planned our future on? And then you turn away and try to say what we both know. Baby, I can't let you go. I let you go away. Cause I don't wanna be the one who's broken hearted. They're the only love I've ever known. Cause I don't wanna. Could you go and stop what we've been started? Baby, I don't want to. Remember this. Ever you've got pain in your eyes, someone has hurt you and tore you apart. Am I wise to open up your eyes to love me and let it be like they said it would be? Me loving you, girl. Show it to him. just a cut and got show, you saying? I'm going to take time out to dedicate this one to the beautiful ladies them out there. Different. Run it for me. Love, love with you. Next track. This is some oldies but goodies. I can already blaze them, you know. Next track. Ain't, yeah. Ain't, yeah. It's like this, ladies. All alone, 'cause on my knees I pray for. Oh yeah! 'Cause every moment and every time, yeah. Like this. 'Cause all alone. On my knees I pray for the strength to stay away again and out. 'Cause out and in I go, I feel fire. Then I lose my self-control. How can I win a dash? Next one. What does I run through? Come again. Don't mix in. Don't mix man upon saying. What does I blaze it? Big up all the artists in the house. You don't know, teach them again. Big up yourself a crew every time. Original is original. If you know it, you can sing along. Turn it up. 'Cause every high. Come with me, my love, to the sea of love. I wanna tell you how much I love you. Like this. Do you remember the time that we met? That's the day I knew I won't forget. I wanna tell you, ladies, how I love you. Check it out, Lord. Let me hear the massive now. Sing it. Come. I can't hear you. Love. Show it to her. When I run and go show them in it's for it's, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man, rhythm up, man. Rhythm don't itch. Ooh, ladies. All I know, 'cause he's the love I feel for you, and I can let it show. But I know that it hurts me deep inside, and I feel the same I can't deny. Hey. So like a fool I sit here crying. I don't know why I take the pain. All I know is next drop. Chill out, you big up yourself straight, my brother. This is one more red tune. Girls, oh yeah. Well, I need a ghetto girl tonight to make me feel with that sight. I need a ragamuffin kind of love that come with some. Well, I need a ghetto girl tonight to make me feel way out of sight. I need a ragamuffin kind of. I don't want to make me sweat and she get real wet. And she go it tight and put me with scat. But up the bus or better. She is my pet, so me rev her body. Fly out jet, 'cause I'm the cat is gonna pour into her fur and let she motion. Sire! Alright, hold it man, ease it up. Got me name Kirk, you know? Alright, this next tune we are going to, this is an original, my composition. You know, the tune I call Can't Hold I Down. You see, I wrote this tune because in this music business, I don't know, it's a great thing, but the people in the night, evil, bad, artists and all. So a lot of time people see me and they say, boy, I'm going to see a little Kirk, stop singing. Never stop singing. I sing from me a 10-year-old. I have over 10 albums and over 1,000 singles. But a lot of people don't know that because them push you aside. As you told me, a youth were humble and easy. Yeah, them take it for punk. So I sit down one morning about 3 o'clock and write the song, yeah. So no matter what them try, them spread the rumor, them do all kind of things to tear down like Kirk. I will stand firm, same way. God, oh God, the Almighty run things. So it is called Can't Hold I Down. So take a listen. Run it! Are you vibe? Oh, yeah. Check it. So the most I am blessed, a song never yet left us, so yes. Never yet stress us, cause he is the soul keeper, yeah. Me tell them this. Them can't hold I down. You see the most I alone him with a triple crown, Joe. Oh, yeah. No time at all, right? This take me 10 minutes to ride. Are you vibe? Teach them your good youth. You make enough people say enough artists, some people right and put aside. Cause he's a soul keeper. Keep on moving. Tell the them can't hold I down. You say the most I alone him up with a triple crown. Can't keep I down. I keep burning them with words. Never will be down, no matter what them try. We build one studio, so I hardly even go road. A lot of time people think we live a farm, we live a Jamaica, but just fly out and come back. Hold my corner from the heathens, artists and all kind of rub up and all kind of thing. Fight against the musician and the brothers. Say every day, oh yeah. Then again, them can't hold I down. You say the most I alone you are with a triple crown. You keep I down. I keep burning them with words, powers and a sound. You can't hold I down. And this a serious thing. This a no America brown. Check this. You see the most likely right part right and now say within a trust the shadow yourself after that. Yeah. Him give me a clean hands and a pure heart. Me got it from the start again. This your heart, yeah, clean like a whistle. Devil back away now within a shine and within a glisten go. Well, if for this one of the most high children want thunderball. And the whole of who no listen, them can't hold I down. You see the most I alone him up with a triple crown. Can't keep I down. We keep burning them with words, papas and a sound day. Can't hold I down. This a serious thing. This is America round. See, I've been through the storm, through the rain. Thank you for blessing me again. We tried it to the street and on the lane. You see, a beer gun shot me through my back on the main. Father, you carry I through. So many you call but the chosen of you. Me no care but oh and do yo. If your heart no clean so you can't go through it, I tell them can't hold I down. See the most I alone him up with a triple crown. Can't keep I down. Keep burning them with words, powers and a sound. Can't hold I down. Zeros think this something I'm every dig around. Hey. One more thing I tell them. They say though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I and I shall fear not evil. Whoa, you see the most I is with me is rather than his staff shall show. Them can't. Thank you very much, my time. Nickel Kirk, you don't know blessings. Can't tell nobody say.